Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2005 BMW K1200LT. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2005 BMW K1200LT with 10,801 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS and a multifunction 4-speaker audio system. It's been upgraded with a Hannigan trike kit, an aftermarket windshield, and a luggage rack. Powered by an 1171cc inline 4-cylinder engine, the K1200 puts 114 horsepower and 88 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel capacity, the K1200 has a 200 to 250 mile range. It has a 30.3-inch seat height, and its stock form at 850-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this trike's charging output at 13 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and both rear tires are at 830 seconds. We took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches and blemishes on both rear fenders. This trike has an owner's manual, a toolkit, 2 keys and 1 fob, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.